Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing your love read. Let's see what's going on in your love life now, Leo. How you're feeling, how your person is feeling, and what action we can expect in this connection. And these are general collective readings, Leo, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you, and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my lions and my lionesses, my Leo gang, and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. All right, Leo, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Leo, newbies, I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person, and in the center I'm going to have your dialogue message cards, mutual cards, etc. And if this is your reading, Leo, you'll know which side you're on, right? For me, this is going to be person A, this is going to be person B. Okay. Okay. Person A and person B actions. Bottom of my deck, I have the Two of Cups, Leo. This seems like such a beautiful partnership. So on your mind, or maybe on your person's mind, is this beautiful, beautiful partnership of the Two of Cups. Seems like soulmates. So let's see what's going to happen. From what I'm feeling, one person is feeling a bit sad here. Feeling rather depressed, wanting to come out of this feeling of lack, of not feeling loved, feeling bored, feeling rejected, and they want to rebuild. They really want to rebuild. They're realizing that they probably caused a tower to fall between the two of you. They do want to do something to rebuild this connection now. The other person is probably doing pretty well in their own life, gaining a lot of victory and moving towards their own Ten of Pentacles, I think, by themselves. They don't seem very perturbed, I'll be honest with you. These are polar opposite sides. One person is wanting to come out of sadness, wanting to rebuild after a tower moment. The other person is looking, well, I'm all right. I'm okay. Maybe somebody famous, I don't know. Six of Wands, somebody who's, applauded for whatever they do or seem very chuffed with life at the moment. So before I start clarifying these cards, Leo, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll start the clarification. So Leo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Leo and their person. Leo and their person. Okay. And Leo, if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Leo and their person. Leo and their person. This could also be person B. I was saying, look, doing very well. Maybe that was their feeling, that they wanted victory with person A at one point. They saw long-term potential, always. But let's read these first. I can't stop thinking about the times we once shared. Manifesting myself so I can be good enough to win you back. Isn't that just what I said for person A? They want to come back now. You made me realize I had flaws. I'm trying to do better now. Sorry for what I had done to you. Karma is kicking my ass now. I wonder if there is someone else who can make you happier than I can. I loved you more than I loved myself. Then I realized I didn't love myself. This could be person B, who always saw the potential in person A, but maybe, I've come to realize that I'm not more awakened than you. You are awake too. Why did you choose them over me? Okay, so Leo, these were some of your messages. Let's start your clarifications. But before that, I'm going to take an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you first, as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, thank you. And the card I have here for you, Leo, is sleep. So maybe this connection has kind of gone to sleep at the moment, I don't know. But there is somebody here who's resting it out to figure out what went wrong here. But at the moment, I don't think there's any action between the two of you. This connection could, at the moment, be in sleep mode. Well, my spirit guides have a sense of humor, believe it or not. Okay, so let's start with the energies of person A. Person A, why do you have the Four of Cups in reverse? Why do you feel this way? Four of Cups in reverse. Why do you feel this way? Person A says, I was confused. I was very confused. I was not sure whether I wanted to have many options or whether I wanted to choose one option. That's why this card came out sideways. Leo, for person A, they probably came across as a bit of a player, somebody who was very immature, somebody who was not sure of whether they wanted to settle down or choose one option. But now, because of that kind of behavior, I think they got left behind, or maybe the tower fell between the two of you. They're now realizing the potential of person B. They feel, oh my God, this was the person who I should have been, could have been for the long haul. This is the kind of person I should be married to or have in my life as a partner. This is the person I want. And what did I do? I brought a tower moment because of my bad behavior. Now there is no communication between the two of you, but person A definitely wants to rebuild this tower now. They now want this equal partnership, they want equal give and take, and they want to come to person B and open up. Whatever they've been hiding, whatever secrets they have in their heart, they want, or at least if there's no communication between the two of you, they don't like that. They don't like the silence, and they want to open up and start something again. They are recognizing that they were the cause. Because of their indecision, they probably showcased themselves as somebody who was very flighty. So what happened, person A, in the recent past that you're feeling this way? 10 of Wands in reverse, they got dropped. I think person B probably dropped them, even though I think person A knew that person B was that star and their wish fulfillment. They could never have a person like that. Maybe they didn't want to take responsibility. Yes, they did see person B as loving, kind, intuitive, nurturing, a star above all stars. But maybe person A wasn't ready to take that responsibility, or maybe because of their bad behavior, this Queen of Cups could have dropped them. And with that, I think the sun went down. The happiness that they felt with this person B, because I think person B dropped them. I have a stinking feeling that's what happened. Person B could have been the one who dropped them. Even though there was so much happiness when person B was around, the minute they got dropped, the sun went down with that. Sun in reverse. Sun in reverse, Spirit. Yes, this queen was no ordinary queen. This queen was no ordinary queen. I think all this imbalance that person A probably brought by their behavior of being flighty, of being immature, of showing up as maybe a flirt or a player or whatever, they didn't realize that the person they were dealing with on the other side was not just a Queen of Cups. They were the effing Empress. Now, an Empress is very connected. They see through bullshit. So I think this Empress is the one who dropped them. Now they're feeling their life is gotten out of balance. Person A is feeling that. Now they're not happy anymore. So what do you want to happen now, person A? How do you see this connection or person B now? Person A says, I don't see them putting in any effort towards me anymore. Yeah, I've kind of ruined the soulmate connection. Now I realize had the potential of being the Two of Cups. But with my bad behavior, I've kind of ruined, the memories attached to this. And yes, so they're feeling quite down and out. Probably unwell, I don't know. They feel, because now person B feels they know the secrets or they know things about me, it kind of makes me feel weak. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to repair what has been damaged. I feel I don't think I can ever achieve this 10 of Cups ever again because of my past behavior. But I do want to rebuild, to be honest, Omkara Tarot, even though I don't see any hope in achieving this. I've lost it, my future of my emotional happiness, and I know I'm the one who caused it. It's kind of ruined now because there's so much stagnation in this connection now. I'm not sure whether it'll happen, but I am enlightened to this connection now, and I'm still stuck on person B. I would like to rebuild if possible. I'm trying to figure out how. Yes, this person A does want to return. They do want to go back, but somewhere they feel this Empress has now turned their back on them. And the more time is going by, I think, Leo, person A is now recognizing the potential that this connection had. Maybe their love is now showing forth to say, oh my God, this was the Empress. I do love this Empress. I want to rebuild, but feeling stuck because they've ruined their reputation big time. Okay, so what action person A will finally take, I'll open later. Let's go on to the other side and see how person B is doing. So person B, what's the 6 of Wands and 10 of Pentacles? Why are you feeling this way? Person B says, I'm not depressed anymore. I've pulled myself out of stressing about person A. I was for a little while. They got me in my head. I was overthinking this connection. I felt I was the only one in this connection. I couldn't figure out the games they were playing. But guess what? Since I've pulled myself out of feeling the sadness that, I felt that they were not offering me anything concrete, I'm actually in a good spot. I'm quite happy. I'm winning. I'm being successful. This connection was becoming a little burdening to me, so I stopped it. Wheel of Fortune in reverse. I'm not going back to that feeling of feeling burdened and overwhelmed ever again. So what's the 10 of Pentacles then? 10 of Pentacles. Person P seems to be totally transforming their life. They want somebody who's going to take action. They want somebody who will show them with integrity. 10 of Pentacles clarified by the 10 of Pentacles. Person B is very sure that they don't want no game playing. They want somebody who's fired up, who's passionate, who's forthright, who will take action in the correct way and make them feel good and be stable. Somebody they can grow with. They don't want somebody to always make them feel like a loser. They felt that in this connection, they always felt that person played too many games. And they were always on the receiving end and being made to feel not good enough. There was a card which said that as well. Where was this? I loved you more than I loved myself. Then I realized I did not love myself. Now person B is realizing, hey, the minute I stopped, here I've actually started loving myself. I feel victorious in my life, and I know I am worthy of a king who comes into my life and not only is passionate and exciting, but can also be there for me for the long haul. So what happened to you, person B? What happened in the recent past that you've started feeling this way? King of Pentacles in reverse. So person B says, person A was very inconsistent. They were very ungrounded. I felt that they were chasing everything else except love. They were more interested in their work, in their business, in their things, on, how things looked in the outside world. And that's not the kind of person I was looking for. I found that becoming very toxic. And there was a lot of sexual attraction, yes, but it was toxic because it didn't come with anything stable. The King of Pentacles upright is somebody who actually promises you something very stable and is with you through thick or thin or health or wealth or happiness and sickness, whatever you guys say, right? So, but person B feels that person A wasn't like that. They weren't like that. In fact, it turned toxic so fast that I just ended it with them. Yeah, I even lost the passion for them, to be honest. There was nothing there. So, what's this Ace of Wands in reverse? Yes, so person B feels with all this conflict, it was only, it seemed that it was going in the wrong direction. So I put my boundaries up. I put my boundaries up and I said no. No, I mean, if it's only going to be about passion and sex and, fun times, then I say no. Simple. Person B, I think, just this is the Empress. I think this is the Empress who did that, and they knew their worth. They said no more. I'm going to guard myself. I'm not going to do anything which doesn't go with my integrity. So, how do you feel about the connection now, person B? Five of Swords in reverse. Person B feels that this connection totally backfired. It didn't go anywhere. So, person B is, I think, concentrating on themselves, on their work, on their betterment. They've made that choice for themselves that I'm not even interested in clearing the air now with person A. They lied to me anyway. So they've never given me any clarity. They've always made me feel left out in the cold. I'm leaving them out in the cold now. To be honest, Omkara Tarot, I'm not even looking for an apology. I'm not even waiting for an apology. It hasn't come anyway. And now I'm so busy because I've made that choice for myself. I'm focusing on myself. I'm winning. I'm doing things to better my life and waiting for my king to come with whom I can, ride off into the sunset. So that's how person B is feeling. So let's see what actions you guys will take. I'm going to take this deck for this one. And Leo, of course, this is my time to request you to push that like button, even if it's entertaining you, because these likes actually are the ones that counted for YouTube to know how much to circulate the videos. That really helps there. It's not that it's making me any money or anything, but it's just that, it reaches more and more people. And newbies, if you are subscribing, please hit that notification bell as well, because then YouTube can inform you when the next videos are out. Person A, the action they intend to take is the Hanged Man in reverse. Well, they want to come out of this stuck place. So will you take any action regarding that? Knight of Wands. Okay. 3 of Wands. One more. And the 5 of Wands. Okay, so person B does want to take action. They may sense that there could be some conflict at the moment, or they could even be worried that there's some competition now around person B now. So they could be waiting for the right time maybe to take action. Person A still has a lot of fire. They still have a lot of interest. They do want to rush in, but maybe because they feel that there could be competition, they're not wearing their heart on their sleeve. They may just arrive back with the same energy of being a flirt or something like that. Am I right, Spirit? One more card for person A. What action? What action will they take? One more. Yes, they want to check first if person B is still single and available. Yeah, they are right now in hermit mode. I think they are enlightened enough to know that they are enlightened enough. I think they've been in hermit mode for a long time. They are waiting and watching to see if person B is still single, if there is any competition around them. They are waiting for the right moment to rush in to maybe flirt with them again, I don't know. But maybe they could start like that because they're not sure whether they'll be accepted. Let's see, person B, will you take any action? 3 of Wands in reverse. 3 of Wands was here, upright. This person A is waiting and seeing them in their future. Person B has already turned their back, I think. What's this 3 of Wands in reverse? 3 of Wands in reverse. for person B's action, Spirit? What's this 3 of Wands? Ah, got it. Okay, so person B says, if person A does return, I'm not sure whether they are coming back for commitment or they are still in their devil energy. So what then? I didn't understand this, person B. One more. 9 of Wands, exactly. So person B is saying, well, I've already turned my back on them. If they do come back, I'm going to keep my barriers up. 9 of Wands. I'm going to stand here, protect myself. I'm going to check them out to see, are they in the devil energy or their spiritual energy? Are they going to bring any structure to my life, or are they going to come back for passion? So I think person B has their boundaries up big time. I'm not saying that they are going to disallow person A from coming back, but they are not going to be freely allowing them into their world either before checking them out. Okay, so person A, you be a little mindful, because you are planning to come back in a Knight of Wands energy, right? When this is again that flirting and sexual energy, if you do that, you're going to get blocked off immediately. So just be very, very mindful of that. So that's all I have for you, Leo. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.